I got you.
But
Yeah.
you know, what happens is I've gotten a lot of people who have been downrated, which I appreciate instead of uprated, because I work with I'm tending to focus on municipal workers, generally firefighters and corrections officers, and they have to stay in peak physical condition. And so
Mm.
because of that, when they're doing the underwriting, I'm illustrating them standard, and then it's coming back. No, these guys are Superman. So, they have great health. So their price is less. And now instead of having to go through additional underwriting, because now they're like, well, since I got better health, can I get more? Yes, you already qualify for, the 10 bazillion. So now we know you can't afford the 10 bazillion because that's going to cost you $1 million a day. But maybe you want to take, you know, a million. Well, a million is going to cost you, $3,000 a month. So again, arbitrary numbers. But again, now you actually have what you're looking for, as opposed to, oh well, we applied for 500,000, we find out it's less. Now you want to apply for 5 million. Well, now you have to go through more underwriting. So
Yeah. So the important part is that it's an application to get an offer. It's not an invoice to purchase.
mm,
The invoice to purchase comes after the offer. We got to get the offer first. Let's see if they'll take you. We need them
right.
to give us an offer, and then we can adjust it from there. But it's so much easier to adjust down from a high than to increase from a low.
Yep,
Sorry,
that's understandable. Yep.
go ahead, Chief.
I was saying, yep, that's understandable. I looked at that as well because the biggest issue, everybody's looking at that, counting every penny. And I had this discussion with my wife when we were doing our car insurance, and she's paying the car insurance, and she'll go and say, "Well, I want it cheaper," and I was like, "Well, with the cheaper plan, you're only covering, 25,000 worth of damage. If something happens to somebody's car over 25,000, we're responsible for the rest. So let's start high and see what they give us, and we can always go down. But if you start low and go up, then the prices are more astronomical."